If you are looking for best mini fridges, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Danby DAR044A5BS LDD Compact Refrigerator. With 4.4 cubic feet of storage, 2.5 shelves, and even a vegetable crisper, Danby's spotless steel fridge bridges the gap between mini fridge and full-size replacement. Satisfied buyers love this pint-sized powerhouse for its surprising spaciousness and convenient size, not to mention its 8 can holders, state-of-the-art thermostat and scratch-resistant worktop. Plus, this mini fridge is versatile. Danby's mini fridge is just the right size for any dorm room. Plus, this mini fridge is energy efficient, boasting an Energy Star rating. That means you can start storing your groceries guilt-free. Number 2. Midea WHS65LSS1 FT Compact Refrigerator. For those seeking out a basic mini fridge to keep under their desk, look no further than the Midea Compact Single Reversible Door Refrigerator, a little fridge with big value for its reasonable price tag. While it only features a single adjustable shelf, customers love its performance, the fact that it's much quieter than the competition, and how quickly it cools down just about anything you put inside. It boasts just enough space for a few snacks, cans of soda, water bottles, jars, and smaller boxes. Number 3. hOmeLabs Mini Fridge. Those looking for an excellent dorm fridge will find everything they need in this 3.3 cubic foot refrigerator, which offers surprisingly complete features for such a compact model. Temperature controls can adjust between maximum, medium, and minimum depending on what you need, or turned off when not in use, but it's the interior of this fridge that really impresses. Number 4. Uber Appliance UBCH1 Uber Chill Mini Fridge. Sometimes, the niftiest things come in the smallest packages. Such is the case when it comes to Uber Appliance's 6-can mini fridge. With an old-school design that recalls retro-futuristic appliances from yesteryear, this affordable and adorable mini fridge is as appealing to the eye as it is to the wallet. But this miniature maestro does more than just chill your drinks. With 2 ways to power this baby, both AC and DC, there's no need to dish out extra dough for a converter. Number 5. Igloo Compact Fridge. Igloo's compact fridge is an absolute must for any office worker with hopes of maintaining their sanity through lunch. Luckily, Igloo's compact fridge, measuring 1.6 by 1.7, fits comfortably under most desks, just out of sight from the prying eyes of hungry coworkers. Plus, it boasts a removable shelf, a small freezer compartment, and compressor cooling technology to keep your drinks chilled and your salad crisp no matter the outside temperature. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.